silent guide, Hookii Neomow X, gliding with pride. It hums so softly, barely a sound, trimming the grass, making beauty profound. It cuts in lines so straight and true, with perfect precision like morning dew. Obstacles come, but it never fears. It senses and steers as it quietly clears. Hookii Neomow X, the promise we chase, but delays have tested our faith and grace. You have arrived, but we still believe that once it's here, we'll no longer grieve. The kick-started dreams, they started so strong, but delays kept coming, dragging too long, so many wait with eager eyes, watching first customers with envious sighs. Though few machines have touched the ground in the videos, hope is found in patient hearts, yet still they hold that one day soon their lawns will be gold. Hookii Neomow X, the promise we chase, but delays have tested our faith and grace. You have arrived, but we still believe that once it's here, we'll no longer grieve. When it arrives and we see it perform, all of the waiting will feel so warm. The straight lines it draws, the quiet it keeps, we'll forget the delay as joy softly creeps. Hookii Neomow X, the promise we chase, but delays have tested our faith and grace. You have arrived, but we still believe that once it's here, we'll no longer grieve. So we wait with hope for that fateful day when Hookii Neomow X comes our way. And once it's here, we'll know it's true. The wait was worth it for something so new.
In the garden there's a dream, a cordless mower, or so it seems. Whispers softly as it glides, with vision sharp, it never hides. It mows the lawn in perfect lines, straight and true every time. Detects each obstacle with ease, a quiet hum like a gentle breeze. But the Kickstarter fell behind, promises lost in the sands of time. So many ways, hope in their eyes, for this robot to finally arrive. It was meant to change our days, but delays have turned hope to haze. We watch the grass grow tall and free as we wait for what's meant to be. Buyers are sad, feeling the strain, dreaming of a mower to ease their pain. Promises made, but yet to keep. Still in our hearts the hope runs deep. But the Kickstarter fell behind, promises lost in the sands of time. So many ways, hope in their eyes, for this robot to finally arrive. One day it will reach our door, and we'll forget the weight we bore. Silent and precise it will perform, and we'll embrace it like a long-lost form. But the